Hi, it's me, Sam from the Bee Family Life. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel again. Today I have a Christmas decoration tour video for you guys. I know I kind of did a small one when I posted my Christmas decoration vlog, but I'm just showing you more, not detail, but better detail, it's okay, of my Christmas decorations. And I've actually gotten some more since I put up my Christmas tree. So I just wanted to do a quick video and show you guys what I have. So I hope you enjoy. To start off, I just have some Christmas bells in the bathroom. I had gotten them because I actually thought they were Christmas ornament bells to hang on the Christmas tree, but it's actually a little string. So I just put them in here on the bathroom mirror to give it some decorations in here. And moving into the kitchen, I have a little snowman and just some sparkly ribbon and a couple of snowflakes and a reindeer. I thought it just looked super cute up in this window, so that's what I did for the window. And that's all the Christmas decorations I have in our kitchen. And then in the living room, you'll see they're currently off because Caleb is in his bedroom watching his tablet. But we have Christmas lights strung up throughout the whole living room. And then they go into the children's room. And then over here, we have a stocking Christmas advent calendar, which I actually made. I also made the sign. I saw Katie LeeAnne's Christmas decoration post, and she had just the cutest little stocking garland stuff. I don't know what it's called, but I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have some. So I made this after I saw her post or her video. And every day, because it's 25 of them for the 25 days of Christmas, but I just have little crafts to do every day counting down until Christmas. So we have been having a lot of fun with that. And Caleb is always so excited to see what is in the stockings, because on the December 1st I actually put a little note up here from Santa Claus just explaining what to do and everything. So this is on one wall, my Merry Christmas sign. And then moving over here, I have just the Christmas ball little hanger. I originally had it in the children's room, but they ripped off all of the Christmas balls. So I said nope, and I moved it into here. And also I have a Christmas tree that was actually given to us. The batteries are pretty dead, so it doesn't quite work very well, but it lights up, and then it's got the train that goes around the tree, and it actually plays some Christmas carols as well. And then just a little gingerbread man train and their Santa picture, along with a couple of my glass ornaments. Part of my reindeer collection. And then over here we have my nativity scene. I'm actually missing one of the wise men, but it's okay. And then I added the angel to go with it just because I thought it went with the nativity scene. We have the rest of my reindeer collection. This little guy is so fragile. His leg has broken, his head is broken, his other leg is broken. So I just kind of glued him onto some popsicle sticks and kind of tried to make it look like snow. That way he can stand up and I won't have to worry about him falling and completely breaking. And then just another little reindeer. And then over here we have our fire station with our little kids, and then the bookstore, and then the church. This set was actually given to me as well. I do look forward to adding to it every year. I'm super excited, but it's super cute. And then of course our Christmas tree. I did add some ribbon from last time you've seen it, and I just think it brings it all together all the more. It's super cute with the ribbon. And then of course our stockings. Like I said, I had made these last year for us because we didn't have matching stockings and I really wanted them. So I just made these last year. And then into the children's room. We just have a little, it's a candle holder, but I just have the ball up on it right now because I don't have a candle to go on it. So that's right there. It's okay. It's okay. I'll get her out in a minute. And the little angels just hanging up on their shelf. And then these are from, this obviously it's Nate's first Christmas and then my stocking from when I was a kid. And I just hung them up into their room. And they're little Christmas lights. And they're off because Caleb is in here watching his tablet. So. Caleb. Alright, and that's all I have for you guys for today. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, and if you feel like it, subscribe and leave me a comment on what you thought of my video. Have a great day. Bye.